Hello everyone, welcome to Study Dogma. In this video, we will discuss last 6 months most expected banking awareness question series part 2. Before starting the session, I will request all of you to please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all notifications on time. You can also follow us on Instagram and join the Study Dogma Telegram channel for PDFs and regular general awareness quiz sessions. Try to add yourself and participate more and more to check your knowledge and update yourself. So let's start today's session. What is the total amount allocated by Government of India in Budget 2021 to host G20 presidency in 2022? Right answer is 100 crore. So, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced rupees 100 crore to host G20 presidency in 2022 while presenting budget for 2020-21 in Parliament. Now, 2.83 lakh crore has been allocated for agriculture, where 1.73 lakh crore has been allocated to rural development and Panchayati Raj, and 1.10 lakh crore has been allocated for irrigation. The Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, has approved the merger of the BNP Paribas Mutual Fund and the Bank of Baroda Mutual Fund. The question is, where is the headquarters of CCI? Right answer is New Delhi. Now, the Competition Commission of India is a statutory body of the Government of India responsible for enforcing the Competition Act 2002 throughout the country and to prevent activities that have an adverse effect on competition. And remember, Ashok Kumar Gupta is the chairperson of CCI. Which company has received the license from Central Bank of the Russian Federation, that is Bank of Russia, to commence reinsurance business in Russia? Right answer is General Insurance Corporation of India, that is GIC. Which bank has launched credit products, corporate loan and Ind Surya Shakti for textile sector? Right answer is Indian Bank. Now, corporate loans will be offered at affordable interest, and Surya Shakti is a term loan to set up rooftop solar power plants for captive consumption. The objective of this loan is to boost the renewable energy utilization culture in the textile sector. And recently, Bank of Baroda has partnered with Gujarat government to provide MSME loans. And MSME means micro, small, medium enterprises. And please keep in mind that in case of manufacturing unit sector, an enterprise is micro enterprise if investment in plant and machinery does not exceed 25 lakhs. In case of small enterprise, investment is above 25 lakhs but up to rupees 5 crores. Whereas in case of medium enterprise, investment is above 5 crores but up to 10 crores. Now in case of service sector, micro enterprises investment limits up to 10 lakhs. Small enterprises investment is more than 10 lakhs but limited to 2 crores. And for medium enterprises, investment is more than 2 crore but less than 5 crore. Which bank has been appointed by RBI as leading banking convener for Ladakh? Right answer is State Bank of India. So, the State Bank of India has been appointed by RBI as a leading banking convener for Ladakh. And Reserve Bank of India appointed Jammu and Kashmir Bank as the lead banker for Jammu and Kashmir. Which insurance company has launched first of its kind video calling service in the insurance industry called iServe? Right answer is Bajaj Alliance. So Bajaj Alliance Insurance launched iServe to enhance the customer experience and provide resolutions to the queries of its customers. And recently, HDFC Ergo has launched My Health Women Suraksha policy to cover women against numerous illness and contingencies they may face during their lifetime, thereby providing financial aid in case of medical contingencies. What is the current EPF interest rate? Right answer is 8.5%. So the previous EPF interest rate was 8.65%, which is now decreased to 8.5%. NPCI approves WhatsApp to extend its UPI project 10 million users. Who is the MD and CEO of NPCI? Right answer is Mr. Dilip Asbe. So WhatsApp Pay is the payment feature of WhatsApp, and it has been designed to run on Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI. Now Vikram Limaye is the MD and CEO of National Stock Exchange. Atanu Chakravarti is the Economic Affairs Secretary, and Nandan Nilekani is the chairman of RBI's Committee for Digital Payments. And comment in the comment box, Arjun Munda is president of which association in India? Which bank has been penalized with rupees 35 lakhs by RBI for violating norms on frauds, classification and notification? Right answer is Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Which firm has developed voice-based apps to prevent touching smartphones to check transactions? Right answer is BharatPe. So BharatPe has launched two voice-based apps to do away with the necessity of touching the handset to view the amount received or the balance in the account. Paisa Bolega is the button on the app which will provide voice alerts for transaction. Who has been appointed as interim MD and CEO of PNB Housing? Right answer is Mr. Neeraj Vyas. And PNB Housing Finance partnered with Japan International Cooperation Agency, that is JICA, to raise $75 million with co-financing of $25 million by Citibank based on the facility of accelerating financial inclusion in Asia. Which bank has granted $75 million line of credit to Cuba for solar parks? Right answer is Exim Bank. What is the amount did ADB approve to support Maharashtra for power sector? Right answer is $346 million. Now ADB has approved $250 million to India for energy efficiency service, $190 million to Rajasthan for a road project, $750 million to India for a railway electrification, whereas $926 million to Maharashtra for Mumbai Metro. According to rating agency CRISIL, what will be India's GDP growth rate for financial year 21 compared to previous prediction at 3.5%? Right answer is 1.8%. Which bank has launched Vikas Abhaya loan scheme to provide relief to MSME borrowers? Right answer is Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. It is a regional rural bank headquartered in Dharwad, Karnataka, and the scheme is for those borrowers whose business activities are disrupted on account of the COVID-19 pandemic in Dharwad, Karnataka. Which bank has released a song Hum Haar Nahi Manenge composed by A.R. Rahman to support national lockdown? Right answer is HDFC Bank. Name the national e-commerce marketplace recently launched by Confederation of All India Traders, that is CAIT. Right answer is Bharat Market. Now this marketplace will be for all retail traders nationwide and aims to integrate 95% of retail traders onboard the retail platform. And recently Flipkart launched Samarth to empower Indian artisans, weavers and craftsmen. And TikTok has launched Mat Kar Forward campaign to raise awareness among the digital community around creation and sharing of misinformation. Now, Facebook has launched a new consumer marketing campaign called More Together to showcase how people across the country can do more together by harnessing the power of their connections on the platform. And Facebook also partners with Bollywood for I for India fundraiser concert. Which payment service provider has become the first company to exit Facebook's Libra cryptocurrency? Right answer is PayPal. RBI launches mobile app Money for visually challenged to identify denomination of currency notes. Now, which software company has developed the Money mobile app? Right answer is Daffodil Software. And the Money stands for Mobile Aided Note Identifier. According to RBI's revised supervisory action framework, a UCB, that is Urban Cooperative Bank, may be placed under supervisory action framework when its CRAR falls below dash. Right answer is 9%. And in case of net NPA, it should not exceed to 6%. Which urban cooperative bank has been recently granted in principle approval for transition into a small finance bank by RBI? Right answer is Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank. And the license of CKP Cooperative Bank Limited to carry on banking business has been recently cancelled by the Reserve Bank of India due to the unstable financial position of the bank. And RBI has also cancelled the license of Mapusa Cooperative Bank based in Goa. What amount of Integrated Goods and Services Tax, that is IGST, has been refunded to exporters as per Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, that is CBIC's announcement? Right answer is 1,12,000 crore. Insurance cover on bank deposits has been increased from 1 lakh to how much? Right answer is 5 lakh. Now, insurance cover on bank deposits has been increased to rupees 5 lakh. That means each depositor in a bank is now insured up to a maximum of 5 lakhs for both principal and interest amount held by him. And this cover is provided by the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. Name the tribunal whose pending litigation to be covered under the Direct Tax Vivad se Vishwas Bill 2020 approved by the Union Cabinet. Right answer is Debt Recovery Tribunal. Which US financial services company has tied up with PayPal to launch co-branded Venmo's first credit card? Right answer is Synchrony Financial Services. So Synchrony will become the exclusive issuer of the Venmo co-branded consumer credit card in the United States, and it is expected to be launched in the second half of 2020. The RBI has set the minimum paid-up equity capital of dash for entities who are desirous to operate or provide platforms for Trade Receivables Discounting System, that is TRDS. Right answer is 25 crore. So RBI has offered on-tap authorization for Bharat Bill Payment Operating Unit, that is BBPOU, Trade Receivables Discounting System, and white label ATMs. Now for entities desirous to function, operate or provide platforms for BBPOU should have 100 crores net worth, which should be maintained at all time. And remember, Bharat Bill Payment System is an inoperable platform for repetitive bill payments in the sectors of DTH, electricity, gas, telecom, and water bills. And a TRDS scheme is to facilitate financing of invoices and bills of MSMEs drawn on corporate buyers by way of discounting by financiers. And in case of TRDS, minimum paid up equity capital should be rupees 25 crores. Now, white label ATMs are ATMs which are set by non-banking entities, and these entities, if desirous for entering the WLA, that is white label ATMs segment, should have minimum net worth of rupees 100 crores. So here we will end today's session. If you like the session, then please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all notifications on time. You can also join the Telegram group of Study Dogma and follow us on Instagram pages for regular updates. Link given in the description column. Thank you very much.